Sara sighed as she sat stuck in traffic, surrounded by countless cars spewing exhaust. She gazed up at the hazy, polluted sky, longing for the days when the air was clear and the natural world seemed pristine. Lately, it felt like everything was slowly being choked by pollution and artificiality. These worsening environmental issues were what prompted the United Nations to designate April 22nd as International Mother Earth Day back in 2009. The day was established under Resolution ARES 63278 as a way to promote living in harmony with nature. International Mother Earth Day has its roots in the original Earth Day celebration started in 1970 to support environmental protection. Activist John McConnell led efforts to honor the Earth and promote peace on this day each morning. In 2009, the UN expanded on his vision by formally establishing April 22nd as Mother Earth Day on an international scale. The day highlights the need to reflect on how humans interact with the planet. It promotes practices that respect, nurture, and restore the Earth's ecosystems. International Mother Earth Day recognizes that protecting our natural world and resources is essential to the continuation of human civilization. People around the world celebrate International Mother Earth Day in many ways. Community clean-up events remove trash from parks, beaches, and other natural areas. Environmental rallies and marches call on governments to pass eco-friendly laws. Trees and plants are often planted to support reforestation. Education programs teach children about sustainability, conservation, and green living. After learning more about Mother Earth Day, Sara felt motivated to improve her own habits. She pledged to ride her bike instead of driving, reduce waste, and plant a small urban garden. Though individual actions may seem small, Sara realized that together they can make a real difference. By reconnecting with nature, people everywhere can help create a healthy planet to pass on to future generations. April 22nd is International Mother Earth Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Mother Earth Day. Cheers!